Dear aspirant, the RBI Grade B exam 2021 has started the trend of giving more weightage to subjective type test than to objective type test in its second phase. In this second phase, out of 5 hours and 30 minutes, 4 hours and 30 minutes was to be dedicated to attempting the subjective type section, including the descriptive English paper. So keep in mind that the similar kind of trend is quite likely in other regulatory body exams. Well, we are here analyzing the descriptive English paper of this very exam in detail. Friend, the descriptive English of RBI Grade B exam, the paper comprised 3 sections: essay, précis and reading comprehension, carrying 100 marks. The time allotted was 90 minutes. The word limit for essay is 300 words and the précis was to be written in 140 words. That is to say, the given passage for précis was of 420 words. The reading comprehension was on black marketing and the number of questions set were 5 each, carrying 6 marks. Now let's have a detailed analysis of the essays asked in the exam. The analysis of these exams will prove to be highly beneficial to the upcoming exams of yours, such as NABARD Grade A, SBI PO and the other. You will learn how the essays asked should be dealt with properly. Friend, writing an effective and highly marks fetching essay requires first of all sound knowledge of the given topic. But your journey does not end here. Even if you possess a sound knowledge about the given topic, until and unless you know how to organize it properly, showing good and flawless writing skills, your knowledge will fall flat. It won't deserve better marks. Now let's take the first essay topic, which is an ounce of prevention is a pound worth of cure. Friend, in the upcoming exam, this essay topic may be asked in different ways, such as prevention is better than cure, a stitch in time saves 9, etc., etc. This kind of essay is called proverbial essay, which requires to be expanded with refined ideas. This is to be written with reference to COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 cases have increased and are increasing only due to the fact that people are not materializing this maxim, prevention is better than cure. This essay must have a proper introduction explaining the given topic or maxim. In the second paragraph, you should mention relevant examples explaining how prevention stops any repercussion, and at the same time, you should also explain how ignoring any timely cure of something bad may bring hazards, and then provide the conclusion. Friend, as far as the second essay topic is concerned, it is on future of BPO industries in India. The essay topic is not so hard. The business process outsourcing in India has faced many ups and downs so far. The essay must be organized by providing to it the introduction, the body and the conclusion. In introduction, you should mention what is BPO industry and what is its current size in India. Then mention some giant BPO companies of India, then its advantages and then challenges. Then finally conclude it. Friend, knowledge is the first and foremost ingredient of writing an effective essay, but it matters how you organize the knowledge you have in the form of an essay. And this is possible only through regular practice, and the answers that you write are to be properly evaluated by some experts. Banquiz provides you with all the requisites. Well, the third essay topic is importance of creative thinking in business. Friend, this topic requires your real skills as it is fully abstract. Your creative thinking is to be supplied in support of this essay. It will matter how you can pour your thought in your essay flawlessly. You should first of all mention what is creative thinking with reference to businesses. You need to cite examples of creative thinkers in business, how they have succeeded in conquering mountains through their creative thinking. Whether creative thinking comes about through bookish knowledge or it is something hereditary, so on and so forth, and then conclude it. And the last topic is pros and cons of teaching coding or computer language to school students. Friend, we know how tremendous scope is there in computer language. Everything is going digital. Paperless transactions, shopping, marketing, education, etc. are now replacing the traditional way of doing all these. Making websites, applications, UPIs, etc. according to the changing trend of all these students in schools are required to be taught coding language, but along with the scopes, it has many challenges as well, which must be addressed properly and then concluded finally. Thus, friend, you can deal with such essays quite comfortable. Again, I would like to tell you that you need to practice for better organization of the knowledge you keep on any particular subject matter. Bankviz has provided descriptive English mocks with a 360-degree evaluation from our experts at unbeatable prices. Their study notes are all exclusive based on the latest events and so are very much likely to be asked in the upcoming exams. Visit bankviz.com and avail of the exclusive courses. Thank you for watching.